Hey YouTube, Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this vlog, I wanted to do a mystery box unboxing. Now, this one has been reviewed by a lot of YouTubers, and most of them have been sponsored. And I think the stuff that they get out of it has been boosted, and I think it's kind of disingenuous that you would review stuff like that and make it appear that it was real, but it was actually just boosted so that they could get better stuff. Now, I wanted to do it myself, so I put in my own money. Let's check it out. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to give away new stuff. We're about to announce the latest giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you watch until the end of this video, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. The site that I'm using is mysterybrand.net. So this is actually the same site I think that was used by Kias and a bunch of other sneaker YouTubers and hype YouTubers. So what we'll do is I actually put in already $100, a little over 5,000 pesos. And how this works is you're supposed to pick like a box that you want to open, and each box has a corresponding price. And you don't know what's inside. So you can pick like NMD High Chances, which is like $249. What? You can pick like the Yeezy box, which is $75. The Apple Boy, the Supreme Boy, the girl sneakers, hype sneakers, tech box, toys, etc, etc. So there is a chance for you to be able to win like really rare stuff. Now the thing is, the chances of you winning anything good is actually very, very, very low. So for example, if you take a look at the Super Yeezy box, which we have right here, it shows that you can win a Nike Air Yeezy 2, you can win a Yeezy Oxford Tan or a Turtle Dove. But if you actually click View Chances, wherein it actually shows you the chances of you winning, it is really, really low. It's like 0.1% to win any of the cool stuff, or 0.2%, or not even like 1%. And a big bulk is actually you winning just crappy, generic sneakers. So for example, 84% of the Yeezy box, the chances are you'll get a Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star for $250. So let's open the mystery box of the Yeezy. They paid $75 for this. Let's slit it open. And yeah, we have a Converse unisex Chuck Taylor that you can sell back for $39. Blah. Let's try one more time. Cut box open. So again, guys, you just have 5% of getting anything nice. It's 95% trash. And we have another Converse unisex Chuck Taylor Classic. Hey guys, and we're back. Sorry about that. I had to like go to work and stuff, So we're back here at home. It's a little past 11 p.m. and I just wanted to continue our mystery box unboxing. So let's go back to the site. So here we are again, mysterybrand.net. So just as you guys saw earlier, we did a bunch of Super Yeezy boxes for $75 each, and we got like crappy shoes. So now we'll tone it down a bit and go for like lower tier boxes and see what we get. My current dollar like value now is at $67, down from $99. So not that good, guys. So let's do a mystery box for $399. Let's open it up and let's see what we get. What's up? It's a hot mini virtual reality glasses, folding mini 3D glasses VR for smartphone. And it's crap. You can sell it back for $154. So let's sell it back for $154. Let's try again, the same box. Cut box open. And we have slime light purple. What? Crap. Try again. Let's open this up. And we have 25 pieces pack Star Wars sticker. Hey, this one I actually like. This one I will actually keep. So yeah, I actually got something that I actually liked out of this entire thing. So yeah, try again. Cut open the box. We have Dota 2 carry ring. It says here, support Dota 2, gank carry. Oh wow, this is pretty good. So yeah, I'll probably keep it. This is starting to get fun, but let's not get carried away. Actually down to $56. So what we'll do now is we'll go for a shirt. The t-shirt box is $30, $29.99, and you can possibly get like Versace sweater shirts, Supreme box logo shirts, and a bunch of other hype stuff. But yeah, it is pricey. Your chances are very low, guys. Again, this isn't really worth it. It's more of gambling more than anything else. And right now, my current review is don't waste your money. But yeah, for the vlog, let's do it. Open for $29.99, 1,500 pesos. Let's pop this box open. OMG, I hope this is something good. And we get for 1,000. Ooh, we get an official Game of Thrones House Stark Winter is Coming tee, which I can sell back for $9.99. And I overpaid like, oh, how annoying is that? How annoying is that? So maybe now we can just do a couple more of mystery boxes, I don't know, just to see what we can still get. So open for $4. Again, every pop is like a little over 200 pesos, guys. So for 200 pesos, we get Slime Deep Purple. Wow. Wow. That is utter crap. Let's do it again. 200 pesos. Let's pop the box open. We have, ooh, we get a 2,600 USB power bank. Yeah, not bad for 200 pesos. Next, let's do another one. We get, ooh, this is cool, a Star Wars flash drive 8 gig with the R2-D2. I think I'll sell this back for $5. Just so so now we're back to 22. So let's try again. What's up? We get bicycle chain fidgets. Crap. Try again. Let's sell that back. We get, ooh, 3D print unicorn women ankle socks. That's fun. I'll probably get it and give it to my wife. So we'll keep this one. Okay, guys, we're down to $17. So let's just finish this and pick like a bunch of like $5 boxes to see what we can get. So yeah, we have here Popular Light. Yeah, let's get one. I have no idea what we can get here. So this one is $3.49. Open for $3.49. Drum roll, please. We get a micro USB cooling fan, which we will sell back. That is crap. Let's get out of this box. It's definitely not worth our time. So hey, look, there's an Apple Boy box for $15. So it's 1,500 per box. We're down to $16.54 anyway, so might as well. This will be the last box that we will open unless we strike gold and like get an iPhone, for crying out. But I doubt that will happen. So yeah, let's pop it open for $14.99. And we get, I thought I got an iPhone because the picture looked like an iPhone, but we get like a shockproof case tempered glass for iPhone, which you can sell back for $3.87. And sell it back. So we're down to like $8.51. Let's just see if we can still buy anything for $8.51. We can probably go for, hey, we can go for a tech box. A tech box is $5. Let's try for a tech box. Open for $4.99. Let's pop this bad boy open. We get a DIY technology invention single wind car. What? Okay, I have no idea what this is, but let's sell it for $5.99 back. Oh, we're up to $12.80. I guess that was nice. So let's try again. Let's cut the box open. We get smart trackers. Oh, this one I can actually use. This one's nice. Okay, I'll keep this one. Yeah, I'll keep that one. Okay, this is the last box, the absolute last box that we will open unless we find something cool. We get a micro USB cooling fan. Crap. So yeah, guys, that was our experience with the mystery brand website. So let's just take a look at what we ended up copying after spending $100. We spent like 5,000 pesos, and if you take a look at my items, this is what we got. And I'm definitely sure all of this combined is not worth 5,000 pesos. We have a micro USB cooling fan. We have smart trackers. We have 3D printed unicorn women ankle socks. We have Slime Deep Purple. We have Game of Thrones Winter is Coming top tees cotton shirts. We have Dota 2 carry ring. That one's pretty funky. We have 25 pieces of the Star Wars stickers, and we have a 2600 milliampere USB power bank. So yeah, maybe the only nice thing out of this entire set is that Game of Thrones shirt, because it's very timely, and the Dota 2 carry rings. But yeah, so what's my final verdict? For me, I think that a lot of the YouTubers who hyped this up and showed that you could get hype stuff easily did a massive disservice to their viewers. It's definitely a gambling site more than anything else. The chances of you copying like rare stuff is not easy. It's not like something that you can easily get. What is our final review for the site? It's crap. Don't do it. It's a waste of money. You will just waste so much money that you work hard on to be able to get stuff that you don't need, to impress people that you don't like. Worst of all, it's really just a money sink and a time sink. That $100, 5,000 pesos could have gone to something much better instead of all of the crap that I ended up getting. So yeah, I hope you guys found this informative, and I hope you don't end up spending your money in that website because it is an utter waste of time. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.